He's a liar. You literally know him as deceit.
Glass houses, Virgil. You yourself said that you are not a beacon of truth.
Yeah, because I'm wrong a lot.
Oh, so you've never been reluctant to share anything with the group then?
Don't.
Why?
Guys, this is Virgil / Anxiety from Sandra Sides. So you want to see how I make this jacket and the jumper underneath. I have a link to it. I've made a full cosplay video about it. The link will be up in the corner if you want to click that. And yeah, turn your phone. So this is how I do Virgil's makeup. So this is a purple wig I got from Poundland. I filled in my eyebrows. You don't have to do that. It's just what I did. And you just get black eyeshadow. Put it on your waterline. Right, this is messier the better. So if you don't have... so yeah, you can make this jacket. I made it for about 20 quid. All hand sewing and stuff. And just a quick, easy Halloween cosplay. Virgil is one of my favourite characters in Sandra Sides. Let me know who's your favourite. And I preferred him with purple hair, when Thomas had purple hair. This is Kat Von D's black makeup. I got it like years ago, but I was like, but I still use the same thing. So that's what I am doing. It doesn't have to be neat. Messy the better. You want to look like a raccoon. So yeah, and like you haven't slept and you just want to look, tired. So yeah, and then style your wig. And here we are. Subscribe, comment, like, and thank you for watching.